Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Spotify won't play some songs. Type Notepad in Windows search bar. Right-click, click Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click File, Open. Click this PC. Click to open C drive. Click to open Windows. Click to open System 32 folder. Click to open Drivers folder. Click to open etc folder. Change file type to all files. Select hosts. Check for any entries with Spotify or Fastly in the address. Simply select and delete that entries. Save hosts file. Reopen Spotify application. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.